Question came in on our website, our first cruise out of PortMiami, and we're nervous about driving and parking. Please help. Well, the terminals are slightly different. Today we'll focus on the current Terminal B and C. A new Terminal B is under construction. Welcome back, friends. As always, let's go to the wall. Arriving from downtown via the bridge or tunnel, keep left and follow the signs to Terminal A to C. At the big sweeping left turn, Terminal C and the current Terminal B is straight ahead. Parking garage C is to the left. Take a ticket upon entry. Pay at a manned booth upon exit, cash or credit. Then decide where to return to downtown via the tunnel or over the bridge. So let's jump in a car and drive to Terminals B and C via the MacArthur Causeway Tunnel. The tunnel is to the left, so we'll keep to the left, and also note various signs pointing cruise passengers to keep left. Now we need to look for Terminals A to C. There we go. Terminals D to J is to the left, but we'll go straight. We can see the ship there at the current Terminal C. Also now known as B, because B is being constructed just to the right as we make this turn. Okay, so that terminal building is split between B in front of us and C just to the left. So normal vehicle traffic will keep to the left here, buses, etc. will keep right to drop passengers or pick back passengers. And you can see there are folks here to direct traffic. So this is where you would drop your luggage and passengers. You'll also see the Terminal B signs all of a sudden turn into Terminal C. It's because this terminal is shared right now between B and C. You'll now start to see signs for C. The garage C is to the left. To the left are the pay stations as you exit parking garage C, cash or credit. On the left too, there's a parking area here for shuttle buses in case your ship ended up at another terminal and you parked here and you have to, travel far to get to your ship. There will be shuttles waiting. And this is where you would enter to the parking lot C. But we're not going to do that. We're not going to park. Now we'll just look for the fastest way out, depending on how you want to get to downtown, via the tunnel or via the bridge. We'll just continue with this little trip and actually go out over the bridge. So we'll look at a few more terminals. The Terminal D parking is right here. That's normally Carnival. Again, another opportunity to exit back to 395 and 95. The directions here are very clear and easy to follow. You've got 3-4 opportunities to go back downtown. On the left, we're now looking at a surface parking lot across from Terminal E, which is also Carnival. You will enter the open or the surface parking lot E right here. We have other videos that explain these terminals in more detail. Today's focus was on B and C. The parking garage for terminals F and G is off there in the distance on the left, but we will exit now and return to downtown via the bridge, or otherwise known as the Port Boulevard. Well, thank you fellow cruisers for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, thanks and see you soon.